right, so we have a tornado warning, a new one. We have a new PDS tornado warning. Guys, there is a tornado emergency. A large destructive tornado just went through Allendale, South Carolina right now. This is nothing you should be fooling around with. There's another PDS tornado warning down in Georgia. So this is going to be for Jeffersonville. If it's still on the ground, it is going to impact Jeffersonville. And we're going to look at this is extremely dangerous. There is two active big time tornadoes on the ground. I am going to send no links because I want this to be a solo stream, but this is an extremely dangerous situation. We have two destructive tornadoes on the ground, one about to go through Sycamore right now. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be covering two damaging tornadoes on the ground. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Do not take this lightly. This is a very, 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 very dangerous event for those of you who is now under a tornado warning in South Carolina. So this tornado is going to go through Sycamore. Sycamore is the next town, and it's probably going to go through southern portions of Ulmer, and then it's going to go through Erhard. So, guys, it just went through the town of, hold on, let me get this out real quick. This is just, it's nothing you should fool around with. We have a debris signature. Literally, we have two big debris signatures. One is over the town of Allendale, and another one is down near Jeffersonville, Georgia. So this is a very dangerous situation. This is nothing you should fool around with here. This is going to be a solo stream because I really want to stick on this. It's going to be a solo stream. All right. Well, I hope your mom knows about that. This is going to be a solo stream due to this ongoing event. This is going to be a solo stream. I need to get this info out as fast as possible. I might let someone in later in the stream, but for now, I just kind of want this to be a solo stream. So, PDS tornado warning for... Okay, I know everyone wants to link, but I'm going to have to get this out. Alright, that's good. For Branchville. So this new PDS tornado warning is for Branchville, South Carolina. So we still have the ongoing tornado emergency. The tornado should have already passed Allendale. The tornado should have already passed through Allendale. It looks like on radar there's RFD circulating around the active tornado, and we have a still tornado about to hit the radar site of Robins Air Force Base. So a tornado about to hit the radar site of Robins Air Force Base. And we have many active tornado warnings, but I'm not really going to focus on those because we have two very large tornadoes on the ground at the exact same time. But the one I'm concerned about right now is the one that's in Sycamore. So this now tornado emergency for Sycamore. So we have a tornado emergency for Sycamore. You know what? We have now a tornado emergency for Sycamore. So I would highly recommend you get underground because this tornado might not be survivable if you're in a mobile home or actually just a regular home. If you are above ground, this tornado will not have the chance of going away. It will not have the chance of spinning up and going back. Looks like it is still strengthening. We have a lot of debris in the air measured by correlation coefficient. So we have debris in the air. This is a tornado emergency now for Sycamore, which is soon going to be a tornado emergency probably for the other town of Branchville. So Branchville, Erhard, this is there are two tornadoes on the ground. This is nothing you want to be fooling around with. Let me get this other tornado emergency out. So, gonna try to get these on StreamYard too. Sorry about that. Confirmed a large tornado. Pretty sure everyone else is gonna be on this as well. Yes, and we do have another large tornado that was reported near Bonaire, Georgia, now approaching Jeffersonville. If it's definitely be taking shelter now. So if you are in Branchville, this is nothing you want to take lightly. This is deadline, center line of Branchville. So it might lift before it hits Branchville, but I highly doubt it because this looks like a long track tornado on the ground that is approaching the town of Branchville. So this looks like a heavily populated area too. But we do have a strong tornado still on the should already be over Sycamore. So we have a tornado emergency for Sycamore. The town of Sycamore is under tornado emergency. So if you're already in Sycamore, you should be in your tornado shelter already because this is literally going over the town of Sycamore. So it doesn't look like it's going to lift for actually quite a while. But if it does lift, that's going to be very great news for those of you who are in Branchville and other Santee, Bauman, maybe Vance, Erhard. Erhard. It looks like it's gonna hit you too. So if you're in Erhard, this is another looks like heavily populated area. So this is another town that should be taking shelter now. Branchville, Bauman, going up into Santee and Vance. You all should be taking shelter now or getting your things ready to move into your safe spots or you could just move out of the tornado's path. That is another suggestion that the tornado should be already over Sycamore. So we have a debris signature, we have debris fallout also measured on correlation coefficient. So we do have debris fallout. So this tornado has done a lot of damage. Hello, Dimitri, the awesome guy. I don't know if I said that right, but we have a tornado emergency for Sycamore right now. So those of you who are in Branchville, Bauman, Santee, and Vance, you all should be getting your things ready to move into your tornado shelters. Even if you're in Earhart right now, this is a dangerous tornado that is still on the ground, that is over the town of Sycamore. It looks like the tornado, the velocity couplet looks to have weakened a little bit, but a new tornado could develop any time with this thunderstorm. This thunderstorm is capable of producing a large track violent tornado. So moving towards the town of Branchville, moving towards the town of Bauman and Santee, as well as Vance. So all of you should be moving to your tornado safety spots soon. Roseville, you also should be getting ready as well in case the tornado decides to switch directions. Allendale, you are in the clear. It looks like the tornado has passed by your location. Not to mention another thunderstorm developing to the southwest. Looks like it is also starting to produce a hook echo. So that is not good. So this storm also may have the potential to produce a long track tornado as well. We have a new tornado warning here. This is for, let's see here, Mitchell, Colquitt, and Worth County in Georgia. So this is radar indicated, but this looks like the linear event that is now moving through. So we have multiple weather alerts. So these storms are capable of producing winds up to 80 miles an hour, but I'm not really seeing one of those warnings yet. The highest I'm seeing for winds is 70 miles an hour for severe thunderstorm warnings. But for this particular supercell now moving towards the town of Branchville, I've told you guys more than enough that you should be in your tornado safety spots. You guys are under a particularly dangerous situation tornado warning. This storm has a TVS signature as well. So there is still signs of a large tornado on the ground. We have debris fallout also imminent and visible from the correlation coefficient mode. But this is nothing you want to be fooling around with right now. So, like I'm saying, you should be in your tornado safety spots. I'm going to list the counties that's in this tornado warning. So Southern Bamberg, South Central Orangeburg counties. Those are the counties that is in the tornado. We have a new tornado warning here. This was issued from Charleston. So now it's saying a tornado producing storm was located near Sycamore. So it is not a Pds tornado warning now. We have a new tornado warning for Sycamore and Almer. So it doesn't look like it's large anymore, but this is something that was very dangerous. Kind of joined in late, but Allendale got hit. Sycamore got hit. I believe Sycamore was getting hit by the side where it was weakening from the tornado. But this is a tornado coverage for Allendale. We also have multiple other tornado warnings as well. Okay, so that one storm. Okay, we have a now tornado warning, a new one for this one's confirmed too, for Wilkinson and East Central Twiggs County in central Georgia. So a tornado producing storm was located over Jeffersonville. So I've already warned Jeffersonville to get in their tornado safety spots. Oh wow, that is not good. We could have another large tornado. Yeah, we could have another large tornado approaching the town. I don't see any towns that. Okay, approaching the town of Irwinton, Toomsboro. That's all I see in the polygon. But we have what could be now a large tornado approaching Irwinton. So velocity is showing signs of a tornado that is just southwest of Jeffersonville. I've already located it. It's at least 2 miles away, 3 miles away from Jeffersonville. So it looks like the actual rotation missed Jeffersonville to the south. But in case if it does get large, we will do another stream. But I got to get back to the other what was a tornado. So very dangerous stuff. Very dangerous. It even had a tornado emergency. This is going to be the first tornado emergency of the year. And yep, like I said, we have now new rotation developing from that storm to the southwest. And it looks like we have rotation following behind it. It looks like there's, if I'm going to Columbia's radar, it looks like there is rotation even behind the storm. This is not good. We have new developing rotation just south of the storm. So southwest of Branchville, we have our main storm, but it looks like we have rotation developing just over Sycamore again. So I'm also going to be watching the storm that is just west of Gifford or southwest of Fairfax, because that one is also looking pretty interesting as well. But we're going to go back to the other storm here that is over Jeffersonville, because this one looked like it had the strongest rotation that I've seen so far right now. So let me go back to the other storm near Jeffersonville, because this one looked like it had the strongest rotation as of now, but wasn't the strongest rotation I've seen yet today. Obviously, because we had that very large. Oh, we could actually have another tornado that's approaching Chester, Georgia. I wouldn't be surprised if oh shoot, as a debris signature. Okay, we might have 3 possible tornadoes on the ground. One near Jeffersonville, one approaching Chester, and one also approaching Branchville, South Carolina. So Chester, I would get ready because this tornado could this could be a tornado approaching Chester, Georgia. So it does have a little debris signature, not as big as the one we saw earlier. Geez, that one was massive debris signature. So we have a debris signature though. So we have indicator of a tornado on the ground approaching the town of Chester, Georgia. So right now it is not confirmed. Right now the warning they are in is not confirmed yet. Because I went into it and it says it's only radar indicated, but it could change at any time. We are going to be seeing the potential for more and more tornadoes through the rest of the week because we have plenty of tornadoes that happened already today, and I was at school for most of those. And we also have a debris signature that was for the storm that went over Jeffersonville. So we have two active debris signatures right now. I'm gonna go back to the other storm that was in South Carolina because this one looks like it's starting to redevelop rotation again. Okay, I'm not seeing any significant rotation as of now for the one that's in South Carolina, but we're gonna go back to the two storms that are in Georgia because these look like they have strong rotation. So yeah, I am seeing what could be a tornado that is approaching Chester and the more populated town of Dexter. So those two towns should be getting ready for a possible tornado that is moving through. So the town of Chester, the town of Dexter, those two towns. Okay, yep. Now it is confirmed by radar. So now we have a tornado approaching the town of Chester and Dexter, Georgia. So these two towns should get in their safe spots now. Now I'm not going to be posting any particular warning coverage because I'm doing a tornado coverage as right now on the stream. So those of you who are in the town of Chester and also the town of Dexter should be getting ready to go in their tornado safe spots because we now have a tornado approaching those two towns. One of them could be a city. I'm gonna actually go on Google and see if Dexter is a city. So Dexter is a town. So yeah, those two towns. Better get ready because this debris signature also looks like it's got more debris. So we have now what looks to be two debris signatures active at the moment. Yep. So this is also deadline centerline of what appears to be Dexter. So it might actually miss Chester to a little bit of the north, but it looks like it's deadline centerline of those two towns at the moment. So if you are in those two towns, I know, I'm kind of now paying attention to this one tornado because it's got a pretty big debris signature. But those two towns should get ready for what appears to be a tornado. This is not confirmed by law enforcement or anything. At least that's what I read. It's confirmed by radar. And we also have another tornado that was located near Jeffersonville. So we have two tornadoes on the ground right now. I'm gonna go check if there's any others. So let me swap radars real quick. Maybe wouldn't doubt there's gonna be another tornado, large one today. So I'm gonna go back to the one storm in South Carolina. Oh, whoa! Whoa! We have what appears to be another large tornado. Okay, deadline, centerline, Earhart. We have now, I'm going to say it's a large tornado because, wow, we have what appears to be a new developing tornado just approaching Earhart right now. So new developing tornado. I'm just going to say it for the record right now because I've seen this happen many times before. So, wow, we have a well-defined hook echo approaching Earhart right now. Well-defined. So this is approaching the town of Earhart. I think it's yep. Okay, no, this is still PDS for when it was over at Allendale. But we do have now what appears to be a large damaging tornado that's approaching the town of Earhart. I'm just gonna say that for the record right now because I've seen this happen many times before. So I'm gonna go back to the other storms in Georgia because we have a couple confirmed tornadoes. Okay, so one is approaching the town of Chester, and another one is approaching the town. Okay, is this even confirmed anymore? Yep, it's still confirmed. It's approaching, it's going to miss the town of Toomsboro to the south. So the one tornado should be already over Chester. Yes, it is bad, Storm Grabber. So, yep, we have now a redeveloping large tornado that could be hitting the town of Earhart right now. I'm just going to say this for the record because, wow, we have now a debris signature. Yep, they just updated it. Pds Tornado Warning for the counties of southern Bamberg and south central Orangeburg counties. So a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Rivers Bridge State Park, 14 miles south of Bamberg, moving northeast. Yep, I said that was gonna happen. We have a new hook echo too, and we still have a other tornado warning for Ulmer. That one's probably gonna expire soon, but woo, we have a large tornado approaching the town of Erhart. I'm not gonna keep my eye off this because this is probably will reach tornado emergency status. Wouldn't Danville, Georgia. So this is I'm speechless. I don't really know what to say. We have multiple confirmed tornadoes. I wouldn't be surprised if this went over the town of Erhart. Whoa. Okay. We have a debris signature approaching the town of Erhart. Hook echo 2, well-defined hook echo. We have a classic supercell thunderstorm approaching the town of Branchville. Branchville, you still have time to get in your tornado shelters, but Branchville, you still have time to get in your tornado shelter because this is nothing you want to fool around with. Large hook echo approaching the town of Erhart. I'm not making this up. I will take a video and show this to StreamYard if you guys don't believe me, because I'm saying this with complete honesty right now. So this is going over the town of Erhart right now. And stress this enough. Yep, I knew it. It's gonna redevelop. It's gonna redevelop, and I knew it was gonna do that because I've seen that happen before. I've seen tornadoes diminish and then just redevelop. Like they just pop back up. Like they go away and then they just form again. Alright, so sorry guys, kick me out of the stream. I don't know why it does that. It's very, very, very annoying. So let me browse and get this on StreamYard because come on, man. I don't want to do all these things. I just want to get a video on StreamYard. Okay, there we go. It's uploading. Okay, yep. Large tornado over the town of Erhart. Now this is over the town of Erhart. I said to get in your tornado safety spot, so if one of you people are in the town of Erhart right now, this is the time to move into your tornado safety spots. I am going to have to leave in 20 minutes to go somewhere, so I might not be available to be making tornado coverages, even my shorts. I'm probably not going to be available to do that because I'm going to be going somewhere important, so I have to go in around 20 minutes. So we have now a redeveloped tornado over the town of Erhart. So they might make this a tornado emergency. That's one thing. I wouldn't be surprised if they made it a tornado. Wow. It's so strong that radar is glitching. Like the velocity is glitched. Alright, let's go check on the other storms that was in Georgia. We might have a new developing tornado just north of Chester. That other tornado that was near Jeffersonville is still on the ground. I am still seeing a debris signature. Whoa, we have a big debris signature over the town of Chester right now. I don't know what that was. They might make it a PDS. Wouldn't be surprised. I'm gonna check all these warnings, make sure there's no other tornado that I'm missing. So Ashburn, Georgia is under tornado warning. That looks like a heavily populated area. Yep, that's what I thought would happen. Redevelop and just it's just gonna redo itself again. All right, so I want to see if there's footage of this tornado because law enforcement confirmed it, so there at least had to be one person recording it. So, oh wow, it's glitched. The velocity's glitched. Really dangerous situation. We have rotation. That other storm that I was talking about is starting to show signs of rotation. That is just south of Allendale. So Allendale already got hit, but they might get hit again. All right. So hold on a second. That was very weird. Yep, Earhart got hit, or at least the northern part of Earhart got hit. What? All right. Sorry about that, everyone. I just lagged out, but let's check on. Okay, my internet's all screwed up again. Great. So it looks like the rotation is still existing. So we do have a large damaging tornado near Rivers Bridge State Park or near Bamberg. So Bamberg is a heavily populated area, but they are not under this warning. So one of the tornado warnings that we saw got canceled. So that is good. Them. All right. So, oh God, I'm gonna get kicked out again, ain't I? That's great. All right. We do have more remaining tornado warnings. We still have that large tornado on the ground. Looks like the rotation came and now it looks like it's starting to weaken. So those of you who are in Branchville, uh, I would still stay aware because it could just redevelop again. It just could do this until the storm dies out. So this is not something you want to fool around with. You do not want to take this lightly. Today is a day where we're going to be seeing a lot of tornadoes. That is a fact. I'm going to see. We still have an enhanced risk. We have new tornado watch. Few tornado likely with a couple intense tornadoes possible. Oh wow, we have mesoscale and mesoscale on mesoscale. The greatest threat for strong tornadoes should focus across parts of east central Georgia and South Carolina over the next 1 to 2 hours. Okay. Doubleheader tornado warning. What? Oh, I see. They issued a new one. They issued actually 2 new ones. Both of these are radar indicated. Okay, so severe thunderstorms aren't capable of producing a tornado is located over Sparta. Okay, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for that one storm that I said was behind the tornadic thunderstorm. So that one's severe warned now. So it does appear that it could get a tornado warned. So if you Oh my god. I keep glitching out. Sorry about that, Storm Grabber. I keep glitching out. It's so annoying. Alright, I'm probably it's okay, Storm Grabber. I'll probably end the stream so I can save stream time, or I'll just delete my StreamYard account and just make a new one. So oh yeah, I have like 1 hour left on my stream plan. Damn. I'm gonna have to delete my account after this stream and make a new one. Bruh. Sorry about that. Confirm large damaging tornado. Oh, we have a new tornado warning. I didn't even notice this was effective. This one's radar indicated though. Okay. So this doesn't really still have a large tornado, but doesn't really look like there's a large tornado anymore. We do have rotation near Wedgwood. That's a fact. So if you're anywhere within Oh my god. So annoying. Alright, hello State College. See you on the street. Okay, we do have a new rotation near Allendale, so this could also have the oh wow, had the hook. Okay, so it has a hook, so it does have the potential to produce a long track tornado. Just approaching the town of Fairfax right now. I'm gonna go check on the other tornado warnings. Still have a tornado that's near Dudley now. We still have another tornado warning for. Okay, cut out there. Very annoying. I'm surprised it didn't leave. Surprised I didn't get kicked out. Okay, so it looks like let me see here. Let me see if there's a debris signature. Oh wow. We do have a pretty big debris signature. So we do have a pretty big debris signature. So near Padgets. So Padgets, South Carolina. Oh, hold on a second. What? I'll be right back. All right, in a few minutes I gotta end the stream because I gotta get going to go somewhere. So, we still do have a large tornado near the town of Padgett. Why should I say that? Yep, its rotation is redeveloped again. Is there more debris fall? Is there more debris fallout? We have more debris fallout. Okay, not exactly the thing I would be wanting to see. We have two big areas of rotation. So yeah, these storms are kind of like so Mississippi back 2020. Twin tornadoes just tracking down in the line. Easter Sunday. Hold on. All right, guys. It appears I'm going to be leaving to where I'm going now. So thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream. I will be trying to upload separate tornado coverage videos in my short, not my shorts channel, but as a YouTube short. So if there is ever a new tornado, I'm not going to be covering regular tornado warnings due to the fact there is a threat due to the biggest, like a major threat for tornadoes. So there has already been a lot of tornadoes today. So I'm just going to be uploading about actual confirmed tornadoes. So thank you guys so much for watching the stream. And if I get home in time before my piano class, uh, I would try to do another stream in case if there ever is another tornado that requires me to stream again. So thank you guys so much for okay. All right, I gotta go.